Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save charts as images on MetaTrader 5. One of the reasons you might want to save your charts is to document or share your trading analysis, results, or strategies easily with others. This can be essential for reporting purposes, educational materials, or simply preserving a snapshot of your trading insights for future reference. Not to mention, having these images on hand can be an invaluable resource for tracking your trading progress over time, or identifying patterns you may want to revisit. Saving chart images is also useful when reviewing your previous trades. For example, you can save a chart before entering a position and compare it later with what actually happened in the market. This allows you to study your decisions and improve your trading process. The process is quite straightforward, so let's dive right into it. First, make sure your MetaTrader 5 platform is open and you have the chart you want to save visible on your screen. The first thing we're going to do in the top menu is locate the File option. You can find this easily on the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with several options. You want to look for the Save as Picture feature, which is where the next part of our process unfolds. The Save as Picture feature is especially helpful because it allows you to turn your live trading chart into a static image that you can store, share, or review whenever you need it. Clicking on Save as Picture brings up another window with several choices. This window asks you how you would like to save your chart, giving you several formatting options. Take a moment to decide how you want to save your image. Typically, you are presented with options such as saving the active workspace, the chart itself in its current display, or the entire platform, including your open positions, orders, etc. The option you choose depends on your purpose. If you are saving a chart for technical analysis, the chart-only option is usually enough. If you are documenting a complete trading session, including open trades and account information, you may prefer a wider capture. Often, you'll be fine selecting the default option that best suits your needs, like saving the chart in its present visual style. Once satisfied with your choice, proceed by clicking on the Save button, usually straightforwardly positioned in this window. It's also helpful to choose a location on your storage device that makes sense, like a folder dedicated to your trading materials, so these images are easy to find later on. Creating an organized folder system can save you time in the future. For example, you could create separate folders for different currency pairs, trading strategies, or monthly analysis reports. Sometimes there might be a prompt asking if you want to capture the chart with or without some additional elements, like the grid, indicators, or volumes. Consider what information is most meaningful for your goals. If you wish to capture every detail as is, make sure those components remain visible when saving the picture. For educational purposes or sharing analysis with other traders, keeping indicators and important chart elements visible can make your screenshots much easier to understand. There you go. Once you've saved the image, you can now access it from wherever you specified earlier. This action not only solidifies your work as a documentable artifact of your trading journey, but also serves as a great point of reference for ongoing or future analysis. Having a collection of saved charts can help you build a personal trading library. Over time, these images can show how your strategies develop and help you recognize repeated market patterns. This simple action of saving your charts regularly ensures that no valuable insights are lost over time, preserving your hard analysis when needed the most. I hope this walkthrough has been informative and empowers you to capture your trading journey effectively. Remember that good documentation is an important part of becoming a better trader. Reviewing your past analysis can help you understand your strengths, identify areas for improvement, and make more informed decisions. Don't forget to explore additional features within MetaTrader 5 that can further enhance your trading performance and documentation.